Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you the simple Python program to add any two numbers. Now in the Google I will write Python online compiler. Now just click on this compiler program MIZ. In this here you can edit your code. So the program in the Python is just to add to any two number. So I will using the m and n variable as an integer. N is equal to int, which is integer, in bracket input, again in the bracket double inverted. I will write enter value of n. Next line I will take a second variable, which is m is equal to integer bracket input bracket double inverted enter value of m. Now I will take one more variable, which is p, which is the sum of m and n. P is equal to n plus m. Next I just want to print the value of p, so I will write print in bracket p, and I'll run this program. So it will ask in the shell window, it will ask the n value. So I am going to enter that value is 2. Enter m value, if I am giving that value to be 3, enter. So it will be going to give the result. Okay, I will run this program, print. Let's see, something went wrong. No, I will run. It will ask n value 2, enter. 3, enter. Answer is 5. So this way, this is the you can edit the simple program in the Python. Thank you everyone for watching this.